Welcome to my channel. The Pluto is not a planet. Why? Because planets in our solar system has to follow three things. Right? Again, and first, planets have to go to round and round and round the sun. And second one, planets be in spherical shape. And third one, and planets clean the dust around us. Be nice and clean, great? And Pluto is get round and round the sun. Yes, it's come round and round the sun. And Pluto is getting in some spherical shape. Yes, it's in spherical shape. And Pluto is not doing. And what the Pluto is not doing? Pluto is not cleaning the dust around us, but it's too messy. And Pluto gets crying like this. And Pluto is too lazy. The Pluto get out of the solar system. Be added. Pluto's not get round and round the sun. Yes, it's get round and round the sun. And Pluto is spherical shape. Yes, it's in spherical shape. And Pluto is not doing. It's not clean the dust around us. But it's too messy. It's too lazy. And Pluto gets crying like this. And Pluto gets out of the solar system. Be added. And what are the 8 planets? It's a Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There's so much fun. Then for Pluto will give. But it's planet this video. You own my videos. Out of the June, the search of my name. You can spoon my name. Ready? R-E-T-H again. Richard Summers. Good job. Alright, see you soon.